I'm Chris Vincent. Been involved in agriculture in Nebraska for the last 26, and I'm a resident of Hamilton County as well in this surrounding farming area. Hamilton County is one of your larger corn-producing counties in the state of Nebraska. There really isn't a bad farm here. You have opportunities to raise seed corn. You have opportunities to do specialty contract products like Enogen to ethanol plants that are abundant through this geography. Everyone's sitting on top of the aquifer. If you have irrigated acres here in Nebraska and you're sitting on top of a silty loam of any kind, which is the majority of the soil types in this geography, you have the opportunity to have a tremendous farm. In Nebraska, you have sustained water because of Ogallala Aquifer. It can be extremely dry and we can raise a tremendous corn crop. It can rain, we don't have to pump the water, but we always have the option to either pump the water or not pump it to raise a corn crop. And that's a big differentiator when you're talking about farm ground and consistent productivity. The infrastructure in this geography to take your crop that you're raising, what we call farm to market, is tremendous. There's been cooperatives that have established themselves for well over 100 years and have continued to grow and be very successful with tremendous grain facilities that allow the producers or the landowners or the investor to be able to turn an investment because he has multiple opportunities to deliver his grain to elevators that are on the UP Railroad, the BN Railroad, that create direct competition for the railroad grain to the ethanol plant and the feedlot. You have a lot of opportunities to get a return on your investment here. You just need to be operating with the right people. The Kauffman farm is a great representation of everything that we've just talked about. I'm very familiar with the people who've operated on it, that have made recommendations on it. They're top notch, they're best in class. And so it creates an opportunity for everything that we've been talking about in this farm for someone to really enjoy or have for a long time. The thing about owning farm ground here in Nebraska is it's something that's much different from your other portfolio. It diversifies you from just paper assets or unvisual stock assets. It's a physical asset. It's something that could benefit you for the next 10, 20, 30, 40 years. One thing I've always noticed about Nebraska farmers or Nebraska landowners is most generally they always have a smile on their face. You got great sunshine. You got great water. You've raised corn here forever. You got incredible infrastructure to haul your corn to, which gives you great basis opportunities and marketing opportunities. If you would like to learn more about farm ground in the state of Nebraska and all the opportunities that it creates, please feel free to give me a call and we can sit down and talk about it.